Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see, we're in the bedroom and I finally got around to decorating the bedroom for Christmas. So definitely stick around until the end if you want to see how I transformed the bedroom for Christmas. But first we need to do a little bit of cleaning. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it.
While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
So the one good thing about having such a small bedroom is it really doesn't take that long to clean and tidy. So I'm going to go ahead and strip the bed now. Now I've dusted like everything off. We come back to the floors a little bit later, but obviously there's going to be glitter and all sorts everywhere. So I thought I'll just save that until the end. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and strip the bed because it was covered in fake tan, and then we can pop some more like Christmassy bedding on. I don't go too overboard. I am just sticking with green. I don't want it to be like too in your face, but it's still kind of Christmassy, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we can get into the fun part, which is the decorating.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Okay, so like I said, I don't want to go too overboard in this room, but it definitely ends up looking cozy. So I'm going to go ahead and pop some garland across the top of the bed. I think it was a little bit too flimsy, so I ended up doubling it up, using 2 lots and then just securing it with command hooks. And I did use quite a few because I think if it falls on Rob's head during the night, he'd divorce me. So I end up just using so much to make sure it doesn't fall down. And then I also popped in these twinkle lights because you can't have too many lights at Christmas, and in the evening it just looks so pretty. So I really like this wreath, but I'm not sure if it goes with the rest of it because it's like a flocked snowy one, but I still really like it. I might end up swapping it out if I find a different one, but for now it does the job. So now I can do the dressing tables, and I actually picked up these little gold picks for the Christmas tree, but I didn't really like how they looked in there, but I think it looks so pretty on my bedside table. So I'm just going to pop them in that little rustic vase with some red berries. It's so simple, but it just looks so nice. And now I'm going to move on to the windowsill. I think last year I put like garland all the way across the windowsill, but it kept getting caught like whenever we'd open the curtains. So I didn't want to do that this year. I wanted to keep it a lot more simple. So I'm just adding some fake snow into that big vase with basically all of my leftover ornaments, and it just looks really nice. It's so simple but effective. And then I'm just going to pop in a couple more like ornament pieces rather than covering the whole windowsill, and I really like how that looks. So now I can finally hoover the floor, get rid of all that glitter, and add in the final touches.
Merry Christmas, baby.
So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here in my next one.